Hi there, Shiv is this side. So in this section, we are going to talk about what happening in 2025 in the digital marketing domain and what all market leaders are saying, what industry experts are saying, even during my observation, what needs to be done, right? So lot of things happening, and let's start with the first is eat, which I believe many experts and professionals may be aware of it, but it now is become more important in 2025. It is like either implement or you know uh, go out of the market and face a serious drop in traffic, stuff like that. So it is like experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, right? So Google giving a lot of weightage to it, and even if you want to get ranked in the and get the citation by AI platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overview, we should implement it, right? So how you can implement it in a real time based on four framework, which is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So the first thing here is the content writers do they have experience in, let's say for example, developing a website, or let's say cybersecurity expertise, any such expertise? Do the content writer have it? Most of the time, the answer is no, right? So the first thing is this refer to the content creator first-hand knowledge and experience with the topic they are writing about, right? So how they can do it? The solution is you should have tech experts, right? So the tech experts should align with the content creators so that they can share the experience in the topic, right, and knowledge, and with the content creators, and they can add that experience within the content. Second is expertise. So the expertise they are talking about author level of knowledge, right, and skill on the subject matter, right? Like in the digital marketing domain, we are the subject matter experts, right? So every domain there will be a different subject matter expert. So here, your tech experts, let's say for the service sector companies, I'm giving the example. Uh, they have to align with this, and they also need to activate their own medium, their LinkedIn articles, and they should publish their content on different platform, PR, media, so that their expertise will be recognized, right? And their level of knowledge will be recognized. So the second step, the expert again align with the content creators, right, and work with them to demonstrate their subject matter expertise. Uh, Third is authoritativeness. So in this measure how well known and respected the content creator and websites are within their industry. So right now I told you this one thing is that now the tech expert also need to write some LinkedIn articles, some Medium stories, some publications, right? So if you are serious in SEO and you want to win every time, so do this thing with your tech team professionals, uh, so that you can build the authoritativeness, right? Like how active they are on the LinkedIn, Twitter, and how actively they are sharing their expertise, right? Their viewpoints. Fourth, fourth is trustworthiness. Trustworthiness, this is the most important aspect of it, and assess the overall reliability and accuracy of the content and the website. It includes factors like factual accuracy, security, clear policies. Okay, so trustworthiness, one thing is how your brand, trusted in the market. One perspective you can take it like that. Second is uh, your content on your website, how accurate it is, factually correct. Whatever you are claiming on your website, it is trustworthiness or not. Is it correct or not? Right? So this is the four factor of EAT which should be implemented so that uh, the businesses will get the weightage, right, for more traffic. And I can give you two example of implementation. This first is, let's open this URL, this article. So this article written by me, okay, and here I am providing you examples, okay, how you can implement it. So for experience, how you can write, right? Similarly, for expertise, for authority, for trustworthiness, you can go through these examples and you will have better understanding, right? So simply you can search this article by my name and you will get to know this examples at the implementation point of view. Okay. Second, what you should do, second, to implement the EAT, what you should do, you should work on display author credential and expertise. Okay. So what it is saying, to effectively showcase it through author profiles, right? So you can see there are a lot of US companies and Euro companies. They have a dedicated author pages of their for their blogs and articles, news, right? So do have a dedicated author pages, and there you should mention everything, their professional photos, achievements, link to social media profiles, right? So do all these things when you considering to implement the EAT. Okay, so you can go through more pages like this, AI, so search engine land, right? Google it to understand further in the deep. So first thing we discuss about the importance of it, how you can implement it, and there are two ways to implement this thing. Okay, let's move to the second update. Second update is helpful content update. So it's a Google algorithm update that aims to reward high quality user focused content and demote content created primarily for search engine. Okay, it was first launch. Okay, so helpful content update, again it is saying avoid creating AI content at a very large scale at a very short time with a very low quality content. Avoid doing that because you will come under the Google content helpful content update and your website will not rank, or I would say it either can be de-indexed from the Google, right? So take this update seriously, and you can go through the further, in detail, that how you can implement, right? So they are what they are saying, self-assess your content quality questions. So these are the questions, okay? So if you ask these questions and is it meeting that criteria of quality, right? Content quality. If your answer is yes, then you are good to go, right? So you can see expertise question. You can say provide a great page experience, right? Focus on people first content, right? Avoiding creating search engine first content, right? So all these questions, this is very vital. Okay, so I do recommend go through this and read uh, all these questions and expertise questions, right? Why great page experience is important now, right? Focus on people first content. So when you ask this question to yourself, you will be ready to implement the Google update in a real time. So the second big factor to get ranked is helpful content update. Let's come to the third. Third topic is to build a topical authority. Okay, so in the topical authority section, you can see Ahref covered it, SEMrush covered it, right? The market giants covering these topics, right? and you can say some other experts also covering this, right? So you can understand search engine generals, right? So Neil Patel, right? So one thing you realize when you go through all these market leaders, they are covering this topical authority, because this is now important, right? So what it is, so what they are saying, let's say, topical authority in SEO refer to a website perceived expertise and credibility on a specific subject or topic, or determined by search engines. Okay, so topical authority, how you can build in a real time. Okay, so in a real time, when you build a topical authority, there's any topic, how well, how detailed intelligence you can provide, right, for a particular topic in your blog you're writing. uh, uh, for example, there is a main topic, how many subtopics are there, is there is a supporting subtopics, right, is there is a supporting resources, stats, infographics, right? So topical authority means it is far beyond just writing a blog content. It means for that particular topic, whatever the you know supporting topics are there, the importance are there, and whatever the detailed intelligence are there in that topic, you are sharing, right? And you are showcasing your expertise and credibility on that particular subject. Okay, so this is very important, and many brands outrank websites just building a topical authority. Okay, so you can see around three experts are covered in this, and when you go through it, let's say what they're saying. Building topical authority is about helping search engines understand a website topic so that it is better potential to rank for topical related keywords. To build topical authority, you need to cover everything related to proteins, such as, now you got the point, right? So if the topic is protein related, you have to cover all, what is protein, what does, what is the best protein, how to use, how long does, how to use. So you are covering everything, right, which is important to a particular topic, right? So that you can build your topical authority, which is I would say at the implementation level, it will take more time than how it take earlier blogs, right? It will take more time, but the best thing is it is working in the market. Many businesses, it worked for many websites. Even I tested this thing and it's working. Depending upon the competition, you can test this topical authority building through your blog, through your content, and get ranked on Google. Okay, a very important update in 2025. Next update we are going to talk about is semantic keywords. What they are, how to find them. So let's go through it. Semantic keywords are words and phrases that are conceptually related to a given keyword or topic. For example, Italy and dough are semantic related to pizza. It is important not to confuse semantic keywords with target keywords. So target keyword is what keyword you are targeting, what people are searching, right? So semantic keyword is not that. Okay. So for example, you might want to page to rank for pizza dough recipe and related keyword like how to make Italian pizza dough, but you wouldn't really want it to rank for Italy, right? So here they are saying semantic keywords help search engine understand your content, subject matter, scope, and depth, and that can help you rank more prominently for relevant queries, right? So semantic keyword help the Google. So this is you're doing for Google to understand better your content, right? And its depth. So that's why we use semantic keywords. So this is because Google is semantic search. Okay. Not much detail. Let's go to Google. How to find semantic keywords. Once you have chosen a keyword or topic to base your content around, look for semantically related keywords because they will help you create relevant information rich content that is easy for users and search engine to understand. So you can see online tools, right, to search semantic keywords for particular topic, and you can find out your own. You have to manually write it down for a particular topic, what all the semantic keywords will be. So here they are saying SEO content template. Okay, so here let's say SEO and let's try. Okay, it's asking for content. So you got the point, right? So you can create semantic keywords you can add, which is important. Update in 2025. Next, in digital marketing is building group and community on social media because all the social media platform will become expensive, right? And till the time you're paying, you will get the leads, right? So the best thing is to do in a long run for a brand in 2025 is to build group as early as possible, build community on Reddit, right? And on Quora, get active on Quora and create social groups on LinkedIn, Facebook, right? And build community there, build group there, so that you don't need to pay every time to get the clients and traffic, right? Second, okay, so in this module, this is the last session to build your email database. Every company, I would say, uh, should do this thing so that in a long run you will have a repeated clients and you can connect with the clients and build a long-term relationships and by simple newsletter setup with your uh, blog, with your articles or with your news, right? You can uh, build email database, right? And you can constantly connect with them like HubSpot done and many brands done this thing. So it will help you to reduce cost per acquisition, okay? And you will improve your user retention on your website so they come again and again without paying a penny, right? So this is the update in 2025. Thank you. We can connect in the next session.